You said ex-husband. So how long have you all been divorced?
He ought to be about 1.
Do you know how much he makes?
I do. He makes about 120 a year.
So let's take a look here. I see that he did not show up for court today. You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed. Ms. Hennigan, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my ex-husband, since last year, doesn't come and get our children, doesn't take care of them, and he is just in and out of their lives, and I'm tired of it.
Okay. How many children do you all have?
We have 2 children.
All right. You said ex-husband. So how long have you all been divorced?
We've been divorced for a year because he decided to step outside of our marriage and have another child.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Miss Hennigan walks into the courtroom, tired and done being quiet. Her ex-husband has been in and out of their kids' lives, treating them like an option. She's had enough. Their 2 children have been waiting for a dad who seems more focused on starting a new life than showing up for them. But today, she's here to make sure he doesn't get to walk away again. Stay tuned, because the truth is about to come out in court. Courtroom falls silent as a shocking truth is revealed. He had another child while still married to Ms. Hennigan. She then drops another bomb. He owns a mechanic shop and earns $120,000 a year. Yet, he's disappeared from their kids' lives.
All right.
No support, no
So he
visit.
has an outside child. How old is that child?
He ought to be about 1.
Okay. Do you know where he works?
Yes, he owns his own mechanic shop.
All right. Do you know how much he makes?
I do. He makes about 120 a year.
Okay. Does he do anything financially to support the children?
Not really. He did while we were married, but since we've been divorced, no.
Okay. And you say he doesn't pick them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right.
It's nothing. He's a father in name only. But the court isn't going to let him stay hidden behind his business. What comes next exposes just how deep his neglect really goes.
Them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right. All right. Do you pay health insurance or does he pay health insurance?
I pay for everything.
Okay. How much is the health insurance?
About $326 a month.
And that's for the children only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So let's take a look here. I see that he did not show up for court today. All right. I noticed he was served to be here today, looking at the documents that are before me. You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Judge flips through the paperwork, and the tension in the room builds fast. He was officially served, but didn't even bother to show up. Meanwhile, Miss Hennigan has been covering everything: health insurance, school, food, daily needs, on her own. But his no-show isn't going unnoticed. The judge is done waiting and is ready to take action. What happens next could change everything, and it won't be in his favor. Stay tuned.
You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Okay, did he say he wasn't coming to court today?
I have not talked to him,
Okay.
literally, in a couple of months.
Okay, well, good thing about it is that I can continue to move forward and place him on child support today because he was served to be here and he's technically on notice. So we're going to go ahead and move forward based on the testimony that you gave, okay? So at $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
He thought skipping court would protect him, but it backfired. His silence spoke louder than words. The judge didn't wait. With no defense and no excuse, the decision was made on the spot. He's officially on child support. Avoiding responsibility just cost him.
At $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have his gross at $10,000 a month. That would bring his net to $7,584.25. And you say you all have 2 children and he has 1 outside child. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So giving him credit for that other child, That brings his child support to about $1,706. You said health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay.
The courtroom goes silent as the judge lays out the facts. His $10,000 a month income is no longer just his. With 2 kids from the marriage and 1 outside child, the court runs the numbers. Every missed visit, every unpaid expense, now has a dollar sign. Miss Henian's years of covering it all are finally seen. But it's the final total that truly hits hard. Stay tuned, because the payout is about...
Health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay. So he's going to reimburse half of that to you, so that $163 plus $1,706 brings his monthly child support amount to $1,869 per month. Is there anything further you needed?
No, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
That's his monthly child support at $1,869, including back pay for health insurance. After being ignored for months, Ms. Hennigan finally gets the justice her kids deserve. This case was never just about money. It was about holding someone accountable for walking away. If you believe in fighting for family, standing up against neglect, and demanding what's right, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more powerful courtroom moments.